Hello, and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we're going to show you how to block cookies in the Brave browser on your mobile device. Blocking cookies can help enhance your privacy and reduce unwanted tracking while browsing. Let's walk through each step in a simple, clear way. Open the Brave browser on your mobile phone. Look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Block Cookies and tap on it. Now, select Block Third-Party Cookies to increase your privacy while allowing necessary functionality on websites. Once selected, click Done to save your changes. You can now exit the menu. That's all for today's tutorial. We hope this helped you secure your browsing experience. If you found this guide useful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more privacy tips.